Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Welcome to our channel. And this is Mr. Nino Humawas Catorza, your licensed real estate broker with PRC license 0015450. Now we are here at Vista Grande subdivision, developed by Santa Lucia Development Corporation. So it is developed by Santa Lucia, and this is the main gate, guys. That is the main gate. Entrance, no security, but it is the entrance. Next is the where the security are kanang located, no? So mao na gyud to. So there is the main, pinaka main, before we can go uphill. So this subdivision, guys, is uphill, or what we call that is a mountain subdivision. It is called Twin Peaks. So there are two mountains on this subdivision, guys, no, were developed long time ago by Santa Lucia. Dalawang bukid. So kasi because it is really very close from the highway and the city, so it was developed by Santa Lucia. I think it was a joint venture with the owners, no? Because it is a 30 hectares development. So it is a 30 hectares development, guys. 30 ka hektarya ni nga develop, no? So average size of lot area is 150 square meters and above. So mao na siya, guys, no, 150 pesos per square meter and above. So let's continue, no. So 2025 kick-off promo. So na-promo, guys, at Vista Grande, Cebu. So again, Vista Grande subdivision is located in Barangay Bulacau, Talisay City. It is already a boundary of Cebu City and Talisay City. Kining Bulacau, doon ay Bulacau, Cebu City na sa nabilong sa Bulacau, Talisay City. So maring ana siya, guys. But it is a mountain barangay. But there's still a portion not a mountain barangay, no. So as you can see, no, the surroundings, it has a big houses, no, very elegant houses, no. And there is also a house and lot for sale in that area. But we need to confirm the price na ako'y mga initial, no, mga house and lot for sale, no. So again, the promo duration is until katapusan sa June 30 na, January 1, 2025 to June 30, 2025. So doon na pa chance. Reservation pay is 15,000 residential for residential lots. Awa matay house and lot, residential lots lang. Then discount of 10% to the selling total selling price, no. Makita man nato sa. Then promo payments na 100 spot cash, no, 7 days within 10% discount total selling price, 100% spot cash payable in 30 days with 8% discount and 6% discount. So daghan siya, guys. Daghan siya og mga option, guys, no. So this is the clubhouse with swimming pool. We are at the almost at the top, no, at the top of the subdivision. There is a swimming pool. The amenities is here, guys, no. Makita na to ang amenities. So there is also an option to, which is the deferred cash. 100% cash in 36 months, no discount, no interest. Then there is also a option 3 installment, 20% down payment outright for 7 days na 15 days, 15% discount. So 10%, 5%, 2%. So makita na to na. Then 80% balance is payable up to 10 years. So sa Santa Lucia na ta magkig-negotiate, guys, no. That is the swimming pool. As you can see, there is also a kiddie pool. So here comes the available, no. There are still available, but we cannot pinpoint one by one, guys. But we have already the map, no, So as you can see, there are flat terrain and mostly there are also a sloping terrain or steep flats, no, kanang bakilid. So in kuan guys, there are also what we call Pacific Heights ko, because it was divide, no, there was Vista Grande and the Pacific Heights. Wa pa ko kakuhag unsay purpose ani nga dunay Pacific Heights and dunay kuan, but as I have noticed, no, kay mura magadalan ni, mura mag like a valley manggod ang iyang terrain. Then as you can see, there are big houses, no, so developed, so that is really overlooking to the sea, no, over nayuban dili, pero as you can see, nagyod very nice, very quiet, very close to the city. Mao ni nakanindot sa atong mga property, no. The ranging, no, at price in phase 2 is 28,500 pesos per square meter. Yuta lang na guys, ha. So di sa na pwedeng magtukod lang kag payag, tukod yung kag na sila'y, there is a requirement if you have but both the kuan one lot, for example 150 square meters, there is a corresponding so there is a corresponding kanang price, no. Then there is also an phase 3 23,500. Then there is a phase 1, no, in Vista Grande 28,500 gyapon per square meter. So mo na siya guys, no. And there are steep lots, no, ay mga steep lots kanang gitawag og dulhugon, bakilid, still are available ranging 150 square meters up to 158 square meters or 200 plus. So now we have a friend na natin, amigo, taga Bohol. Maayo magining taga Bohol gud ta. So this is from my friend, a lawyer friend, no. Amigo, di ko lawyer. I have my friend nga lawyer nako, amigo nako, no. He is from Bohol. Then he has a property, he has a lot for sale, no, at the Pacific Heights, phase 1. Phase 1 naman ng Pacific Heights. And where we going, no? Paingon mi dito. The good thing is very flat, nindot kayo guys. Pero tuwa na lang siya sa tumoy. Pero as you can see, if he is on this one, this one guys, this is the property, this is the lot, the 338 square meters at 25,000 pesos per square meter. But there is also an diversion road and a gate with security. So nindot gihapon kaayo siya guys, no. As you can see, there are beautiful houses around the area. Yan, nindot kayo, mingaw, no. Iniana na ang location guys. It is really very nice. So going back to the phase kuan, direkta na lang ta atong gikat ang atong video. Paingon na ta pa uli, going to the highway. As you can see, no, there are really beautiful kuan. Then you can have your walking, jogging, no. So very fresh air good guys, no, nindot jud kayo. So mo nay naka-advantage, and this is the map, no, mo na siya guys. We can give you a soft copy of the map, and there are available, no, available on the map. We can pinpoint at later, no, later. So mo na siya guys. Only we can give is the overview. So this is the whole subdivision guys. That is the map of the whole subdivision. Mo na siya guys. So very nice, very nice. So nindot gyud kaayo, super, no, ang atong kwan, makapalit kag lote diha dool ra sa city. Although sa kaon manad ra ka, depende na nimo, no. Ganahan gyud kag bungtod nya, overlooking nya, very nice, very quiet with 24/7 security. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So mo ni akong giingon diri sa likod na ni guys, pero naagi hapoy kuan road. So here atong gikuan sa mouse, no, naay entrance diri dapita guys, no, kana sa mouse. Then mo na ang entrance, no, sa highway na sa Bulacau. Pasaka dayon paingon na sa tumoy likod. So ga rolling man na ang mountain ana guys, nindot kaayo gyud, super no. Ma-enjoy gyud nimo ang view to the sea. Kita gyapon nimo ang Bohol ana. So let's support Bohol no. Taga Bohol gyud ta. So mao na siya guys no, very nice, very nice. So for those who are planning to build a house, or you can buy at Santa Lucia at Vista Grande, just contact me and schedule for a site inspection. Kay ako ra ba na ako sa Bohol, naapod ko sa Cebu. So lisod kaayo no on my part. So I am only the one who is managing myself. So ko managdaghan. So katong kini nga kwan guys, na diha ang location katong sa atong amigo nga lawyer kanang gibutangan og mouse. So kanang gipatuyok-tuyokan sa mouse bitaw nato. So dito guys, mo to ang atong location. Okay? Thank you.